Well, hello, queens and kings, and welcome to our second installment of Whiskey and Nails. Now, you're probably asking yourself, he already has his nails done. Well, we're about to do something different. We're gonna get my nails removed.
Well, not your nails, but the gel. That would be really creepy to just take away all your nails.
And of course, can't have your nails get done, or I guess undone, without a little bit of whiskey. And today, we're gonna have Woodford Reserve Double Oaked.
Never heard of it.
Great whiskey.
I'm a wine person. Get that shit out of my face. Okay, so yeah, I'm removing this. This is actually my first time removing gel polish, but I've seen plenty of videos and read plenty of tutorials on this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my drill with this dome drill bit and just file off the top coat and then soak everything off. So when he's done pouring, I'm gonna take you through all of the supplies that I pulled out for this. All right, so I don't have cotton balls, so I have cotton rounds. So I just cut them in half. So I have 5 of those because he has the 5 fingers that you soak off. 5 pieces of aluminum foil that I cut up, and a bowl because I'm about to soak these cotton pieces in 100% acetone. And then while these are soaking, that's when I'm going to file off his nails. Okay, so it doesn't need too much.
Is this going to hurt?
No, babe, it won't.
You said that last time.
Well, that was the nail lamp. All right, so I'm about to start my drill and gently start filing off this beautiful work. I can't believe it's gone so early.
Just FYI, I got a lot of compliments regarding my nails.
Yeah, because I did amazing work.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I hate the sound of it.
It's not that bad.
Oh, how do you guys deal with this?
You get used to it.
Just like how I got used to you?
Mm-hmm.
By the way, if you guys have not seen it yet and want to see the video of my nails getting done for the first time, click here.
I actually can insert a card. You got that part right. Yay.
By the way, if you guys hear some jiggling or whatever in the background, it's because our cats are running around.
All right, I'm done drilling off the top coat. And now I'm gonna take the cotton rounds. Should have worn gloves for this part, but whatever. My hands are kind of sweaty.
I'm nervous.
Why?
I've never got my nails undone.
Okay.
Go put on some clothes.
All right, sorry, I had to come back for a second and I just realized I made these aluminum foil pieces too big. So I'm gonna make them a little bit smaller. So I just split that in half. See, I'm getting acetone all over me. All right, next nail. Taking a round, just slapping it on there.
So, how's everyone doing during this whole quarantine? Make sure you leave a comment telling us your story right here.
All right. All right, so we have to inspect one of them.
Just FYI, guys, I've been waiting for over an hour.
He's lying. It's been like
This is boring.
15 minutes.
Oh my God, how do you guys do this?
Okay, so it might need a little bit more time. But I'm taking an orange one stick and like, that's what you're supposed to do. Just push it off the product.
I have to wait another hour?
Like 5 more minutes.
Oh my God.
So I'm just gonna slide this one back on there. And then we'll be back in 5 minutes.
An hour.
5 minutes.
So yeah, I mean, I applied the cream to my ass, but it just didn't seem to like work.
Oh my God.
Oh, hi guys, welcome back. So did it work?
Yep. Just got some.
By the way, guys, this whiskey is pretty good.
Oh, so we're getting whiskey reviews now.
Yes, I'm gonna give it. I will give this one 4 nails done out of 5.
What does that even mean?
I have no idea.
I usually do gel over dip powder, so when I remove it, it's super easy to remove. It just like peels right off because it doesn't stick to the dip powder the way dip sticks to dip.
So do you guys, nail people, do you guys like watch the whole video of like me?
Oh no, people skip through that shit. People skip through every video. Did that not soak? Okay, this one did not soak for some reason.
Not my fault. Well, I just followed instructions.
That one did, I can see.
Of course, it's funny, it had to be the middle finger, which if you guys watched the last video, the red represented the Red Lantern Corps, which means rage. Kind of poetic. Oh, this one didn't either?
Mm-mm. It must not be.
Oh, look at you. Squirting
Pressing.
all over the place.
That's gross. This is a PG channel.
not with me in it.
I actually told you it was.
You made a great mistake, Boop, by adding me into this channel. Viewer discretion advised. No, you're sucking out all the will from me.
Why it's not?
What other methods are there to getting your nails undone?
Just drill it off and then possibly damage your nail plate.
Ooh, we don't want that. What do you?
No.
Is this what you usually do?
I don't use gel on my nails.
So you tricked me. Why did you do gels on mine? You lied to me.
I didn't want to put dip powder on.
I trusted you, Carol.
I think your nails are too short for me to do dip on.
Too short. You told me they were too long.
No, I didn't say that.
Yes, you have. You said that my nails were too long.
I never said too long. I said you have long nail beds.
Oh, that's what you said. That's right. Hey, how about this, guys? How about you guys comment on what design you guys would like to see on my nails next? Just comment over here. Right there.
Acetone and alcohol.
Cheers. This one should be quicker for you to edit, right? Since it's going to be a short video, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look at her.
Yeah, but I already have videos planned out for next week, so.
Oh, you're not going to release this one next week?
Mm-mm.
Then they're going to have to wait longer for a Whiskey and Nails episode?
Mm-hmm.
You're not giving your viewers what they want.
We don't even know what they want. They don't even know what they want.
I don't even know what I want. Make sure you don't do what Brooke Housed, whatever that woman, the one who hit her dogs and forgot to
Oh
edit
my
them.
gosh.
Make sure you don't do anything stupid like that.
Good thing we don't have dogs.
You know, guys, bear with me, by the way, Carol. Just bear with me with the joke. You know what, guys? I want to make this a political channel. And so I want to make a statement here. Because I know the question is going to be popping up with, who am I voting for? Who is the great candidate? Well, I'm going to tell you this right now. The candidate that has the best nails will win my vote.
Oh my gosh.
I always hear about which candidate had the best teeth.
Really?
You know, who has the best mental health. You know what? I don't care about all that. What I want to see is their nails. I think a president who can take care of the nails can take care of this country.
Why is this so hard to come off?
Because his will. You have to have the will to remove it.
I don't know if I got that.
For those who don't know, you know, these were based off the Green Lantern Corps. The Green Lantern Corps series. And Green is the primary, one of the more popular characters. And Green Lanterns, they represent will. Just for those who don't understand the...
Every time you say Will, I think it's like a person you're naming.
I knew a Will once. He was a piece of shit.
I hope that Will doesn't watch this video.
Well, I hope he does.
Yeah, this is my first time removing gel polish.
Well, I mean, I don't think you're doing a bad job.
God, I've watched these videos where these ladies, like, they literally put on the wraps and all that, and when it comes off, it's all gooey, and they scrape it off so easily.
Do you guys think she's doing a good job? Let us know in the comments.
I feel like I'm failing. Some people are gonna be like, you're scraping his nail bed too much. I'm like, well, first off, Orange One Stick is supposed to be gentler on the nails, so I clearly got green gel on your skin.
I mean, this is the initial... some of it will fall off over time, right?
Yeah.
All right, and this is not fucking my nails, right?
No. That's why I did a base color underneath.
Here's Rage.
Pissing me off. That's what it is.
Exactly, Rage.
Jeez. Okay. I am using Peel Base from now on because this is just not worth the hassle to me. If you guys have any tips or tricks on how to remove gel polish a little faster, more effectively, that would be awesome because this was too much. Maybe I'm just used to the Peel Base method now, where I literally just pop, 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 no damage. Super easy. All right, guys, that is all for today.
Guys, I got one last comment. Apparently, barbershops, hair salons, and nail salons have been asked to close. So...
well, your nail salon is open 24/7.
Exactly. To all my kings and queens, reach out to your significant other to get your nails done because nail salons are about to close.
Oh, they've closed here. See, look.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I know this isn't a tutorial and it was my first time removing gel polish, so please judge kindly. And this is just me just posing his hand because we're actually going to try to create a thumbnail for the video using this. And I really appreciate you guys hanging out.